Hey, it's Jeff and welcome to my kitchen. Now today we're going to make croutons. Now I don't mean the sawdust cubes out of the bag croutons, I mean the real thing. So what I've done is you can use different types of bread. I sort of like these breadsticks that I've cut up. You buy them at Walmart. They're nice and dense and they bake really nice. And we take some olive oil. I like the heavier olive oil, it's got some flavor. And drizzle it over the bread, like so. Just a little bit. You can be, go a little heavy with it if you want. And then here's the key to the whole thing. Maybe you can come in close on that. This is from the Salt Table in Savannah, Georgia. And this is the Everything Bagel blend. And it's beautiful. And look. There's Dave and Carol. They're the owners. They're right on the label. I don't know who they are, but they look like pretty cool people. People you might want to hang out with. But anyway, we can talk about that later. So you take it's the Everything Bagel Seasoning Blend from the Salt Table, Savannah, Georgia. Now you can be real liberal with this. And you just sprinkle it over the top. And I like to get the fork and mix it in. Now you've got the oven on. I like the oven at 400 degrees. It's all preheated, ready to go. Slip them in the oven. And we're going to cheat a little bit. And this is 10 minutes later. 10 minutes for this type of bread. And look at this. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at those croutons. Okay. So there's the finished product. Now, you see these croutons here? Now you're going to want them on a salad, but what I like to do while I'm waiting maybe with a cocktail, while I'm getting dinner ready, I like to just eat them just like that. And I dip it in this sauce. Now you wonder, what's that sauce? Oh my God. That's killer right there. This is Peachey's Southern Peach dressing. You know where you get this? From the Salt Table. Right from those people, Dave and Carol. They got a winner there. So, there you go. Croutons. Got the Peachey's dressing. You know what I could do? I could eat all those with the dressing, forget the salad, have a cocktail. That's a good evening. All right. Thanks. We'll see you next time.